471183. Lucius Percival Green for release tomorrow morning. Sir!
Orphan. 2 spells in Borstal. What's Peacehaven?
Reform school, sir?
Type of Borstal?
Yes, sir. Outside of Philadelphia. After my old man died, God rest his soul.
Yeah. Convictions to date 16. 1/3 of your life inside. Why? Look, Green, you're a young man. You're a qualified electrician. The last man to walk out of here was a teacher, Bachelor of Science. He won't find a job easily, but you're in demand. You stick to your trade, go straight, and you'll be pulling in a damn sight more than he ever will, right?
Absolutely right, sir.
But you better mean it this time. Well, speaking for all of us, I'm sorry you're going. Right, Mr. Boddings?
Right, sir.
My wife was wondering if you won't flip.
Fix it tonight, sir.
Oh, thanks. Well, goodbye, Green. Good luck.
Thank you, sir.